Okay, students, so this is part 2 of the Kami, just how to do the work on Kami. So once you get on Google Classroom, in your you can go to your classwork and you'll see, of course, you'll see this, right? You'll see me posting an assignment. I posted an assignment on here. It says PDF. You can open that. Okay, now at the top you will see that it says open with Kami. Once you do that, you can open it and it'll take you to Kami because it's not an extension of Google Chrome. Okay, and now you can start adding stuff on here. Now notice I've already added something on here. Okay, 2 things really. Okay, on text boxes. Okay, so now what you need to do is save. So in order to save, you can go over here and go to download. Okay, now notice it says there's 3 different ways to download this document. Okay, the one you want is the one in the middle with all annotations. That means that everything that you've added to your document will be saved. Okay, now once you do that, you can begin to export and it'll process it for you. Okay, all right, and you see on there it says who represents me contact sheet. Okay, you can save it to your desktop or to your Google Chrome, wherever you want to save it. Okay, I'll just save it to my desktop. Okay, and there it is. Okay, that is my PDF, my new PDF with the stuff written on it. Now once you've done this, once you've saved it, now you can upload it and turn it into your Google Classroom. Okay, but at least now you have this done and typed on there, and you don't have to print it out. You don't have to take pictures of it. You can just upload it to Google Classroom and turn it in. Okay, I hope this helps. I hope this is more clarifying for you, that you can see that we can now just type in on the PDF documents and save them and turn them in. It's much easier. I've had several students do this, and you can even change the color of the type so that it's easier for me to see. Everything is appreciated. So try it and see how you like it. Hope this is easier, which I believe it is, than having to do anything else. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys.